garden. Oh, go play, new plan, never plan was bad.
Do you know that you can create viral videos in bulk, just like the ones we see on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube? And the best part is, you can do it completely for free. Yes, free. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make stunning scroll-stopping videos in minutes that look professional and get people watching again and again. First, open ChatGPT and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Free AI Story Generator, click the first result, and hit Start Chat. Here is where the fun begins. Ask it to create a long, detailed story in a Pixar 3D animation style. For this example, we will make a story about 4 vegetables, broken into 15 scenes with rich, colorful character descriptions. Look at this. ChatGPT is already crafting character prompts. It is like watching a concept artist draw your ideas live. Every detail about the characters and scenes is coming to life. Next, open Google and search for Whisk AI. Click the first link and log in. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first character prompt, for example the carrot, and paste it into Whisk. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, you have a vibrant, high-quality image ready for your story. Not happy? No worries. Just tweak the prompt or change a few words until it is exactly what you want. Repeat this for all your characters. The results are mind-blowing. The broccoli and the corn look vibrant, sharp, and lifelike. The quality is amazing, and it is free. Once you have all your characters, download the ones you love. Here is a secret to keep your characters consistent across all your scenes. In Whisk, drag your character into the subject box. Now the AI will automatically reuse the same design throughout your story. No more random-looking characters. Everything stays perfect and cohesive. Here is a faster way to make your entire story professionally. Download all your characters and go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write prompts for each scene line by line in Pixar 3D style. It will create all 15 prompts ready to go. Ask it once more to output only the prompts in order. This makes your life so much easier. Now search for Whisk in Google and add it to Chrome. Open it, pick your language, and select version 7.5.1. Copy all your scene prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Whisk. Go into Settings and make sure Auto Download Images is checked. This is a game changer. Imagine creating 50 or 100 scenes manually. It would take hours. With Auto Download, all your images are downloaded automatically into the folder you choose. I named mine Animation. Click Start and watch every scene being generated and downloaded automatically. Some scenes even have 2 variations, so you can pick your favorite and delete the rest. Make sure to number your scenes so you do not get confused later. Now comes the fun part. Turning your images into real animation. You can use different AI video generators like Kling's AI or other platforms, but today I will show you a free one with incredible quality. Search for Arena AI, log in, and paste your first scene prompt. Within seconds, you will have a beautiful animated video.
What is that thing?
A parasitic weed, and it's feeding on the root. Then we stop it.
For the garden. Oh, go play, new plan, never plan was bad.
Repeat this for all the remaining scenes and your story comes to life. It is amazing to see your characters moving and interacting. Arena usually allows 3 videos per day, but here is a trick to get unlimited videos. Search for temp mail. It gives you a temporary email you can use anytime you run out of credits. Copy the email, log out of Arena, and sign up again with the new email. Verify it using temp mail, and you can keep creating as many videos as you want. Once all your scenes are ready, use CapCut to put everything together. Add transitions, music, or special effects. It is your story. Make it shine. For the voiceover, 11 Labs makes it sound like a real narrator, and your story will feel alive. Check out my previous video for how to remove watermarks and add voiceovers like a pro. I will leave the link in the comments below. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can go from idea to fully animated Pixar-style story, all using AI and mostly for free. I'm here to help you with your video making journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any tips and tricks.